Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cinematic deep dives that go beyond the spec sheet and explore what makes a car truly timeless, you're in the right place. Because today, we're not talking about horsepower, touchscreen size, or 0 to 60 times. We're talking about something far more valuable: trust. In this video, we're exploring SUVs that simply don't quit. The ones that survive decades, outlast trends, and become family legends. These are the machines built not just to drive, but to endure. From Toyota's unbreakable Land Cruiser to Honda's bulletproof Pilot and Lexus's near-mythical reliability, we're breaking down the SUVs that can genuinely last a lifetime. So hit that like button if you believe dependability still matters, and let's dive into the vehicles you could buy once and never have to replace. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser, the immortal adventurer. Few names in automotive history carry the same weight as Land Cruiser. Since 1951, it's been the standard of dependability, a vehicle trusted by explorers, militaries, and families in every corner of the globe. What makes it unbreakable isn't magic, it's engineering philosophy. Toyota builds every Land Cruiser with the idea that failure is unacceptable. Its body-on-frame construction, overbuilt suspension, and naturally aspirated engines are designed for abuse. Even the older 4.7-liter V8s, like the ones found in the 100 series, can cross 500,000 miles with just basic maintenance. These engines aren't tuned for thrills, they're tuned for survival. In some parts of Africa and the Middle East, Land Cruisers are currency. People trade them like gold because they simply never die. The latest 2024 Land Cruiser continues that tradition with a 2.4-liter hybrid turbo engine and Toyota's new TNGA-F platform. It's lighter, more efficient, but still built like it expects to be driven through a war zone. If there's one SUV you could literally trust your life to, this is it. 2. Lexus GX, the quiet tank. While the Land Cruiser became a legend in the wild, its luxury cousin, the Lexus GX, became a legend on the pavement. Don't let the leather and wood fool you. Underneath that elegant shell lives the same indestructible bones. The GX 460's 4.6-liter V8 is one of the most reliable engines Toyota has ever made. A motor so understressed that it can run for decades without complaint. It uses a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, hydraulic steering, and a true 4-wheel drive system with a locking center differential. No fancy gimmicks, no fragile electronics, just proven mechanical strength. What's remarkable about the GX is how it bridges worlds. It can tackle mountain trails one day and pull up at a 5-star hotel the next. Owners routinely report 300,000+ miles with minimal repairs, and even then, most of what breaks is cosmetic. It's the SUV equivalent of an oak tree, steady, quiet, and built to stand for generations. 3. Honda Pilot, the family fortress. Not every SUV needs to conquer deserts to be reliable. Some just need to carry your kids safely for 20 years straight. And that's where the Honda Pilot shines. Honda's engineering philosophy is rooted in longevity. The Pilot, powered by the company's ultra-durable J-Series V6, is proof. It's the same core engine family that's powered everything from the Accord to the Ridgeline, and when maintained, these motors easily clear 250,000 miles without internal wear. Inside, the Pilot feels less like a luxury lounge and more like a practical fortress, wide, comfortable, and intuitive. The transmission shifts smoothly, the chassis absorbs punishment, and the electronics just work. But what makes it special is the consistency. You can buy a 2006 Pilot or a 2026 Pilot and get the same feeling. Dependability you can plan your life around. That's rare in an industry obsessed with constant reinvention. 4. Toyota 4Runner, the mountain goat that never ages. There's an old saying among Toyota fans: engines age, but 4Runners don't. And if you've ever owned one, you know exactly what that means. The 4Runner isn't just a vehicle, it's a survivor. A rolling symbol of what happens when engineers design something with endurance, not evolution, as the goal. Since its debut in the 1980s, the 4Runner has embodied Toyota's obsession with mechanical honesty. Every generation has stayed true to the same core principles: body-on-frame toughness, a naturally aspirated engine, and a drivetrain designed to outlast the owner. While most SUVs have softened into crossovers, the 4Runner never sold its soul for convenience. It's still a real truck underneath. Heavy-duty suspension, solid rear axle, and a chassis that laughs in the face of punishment. You can drive a 4Runner through scorching deserts, blizzards, flash floods, or urban traffic, and it'll handle it all without flinching. Owners push them beyond 400,000 miles, often on their original transmissions and engines. There are countless stories of 4Runners crossing continents, surviving off-road expeditions, and still starting every morning like it was new. Mechanics often joke that 4Runners don't really break down, they just age gracefully. Part of that secret lies in simplicity. The 4.0-liter V6 used in the current generation isn't the most powerful or the most efficient, but it's almost impossible to kill. It uses a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission that prioritizes durability over sophistication, and a part-time 4-wheel drive system that doesn't rely on fragile electronics. You won't find unnecessary turbochargers, dual clutches, or delicate hybrid systems here. It's raw, mechanical dependability, and that's exactly what keeps these SUVs running decade after decade. The design follows the same philosophy. Step inside a 4Runner and you'll notice the interior isn't chasing trends. It's functional, tactile, and easy to repair. Switches have a satisfying mechanical click, panels are solidly fitted, and visibility is excellent. Everything feels like it was made for people who actually use their vehicles, not just commute in them. The cabin may not wow you with screens or mood lighting, but it will still look and function perfectly in 20 years. Something you can't say about many modern SUVs. From Moab's red rocks to Alaskan snow, 4Runners are found everywhere. Reliability matters more than refinement. And because Toyota builds them with modular simplicity, parts are easy to source, upgrades are endless, and repairs are rarely catastrophic. In a world of turbocharged complexity, delicate electronics, and over-digitized interfaces, the 4Runner feels refreshingly analog, a truck you can actually trust. It's not trying to impress you with numbers or technology. It's built to earn your respect the old-fashioned way. 1 mile, 1 adventure, 1 decade at a time. 5. Lexus LX, the luxury that lasts forever. At the top of Toyota's hierarchy sits the Lexus LX, essentially a Land Cruiser wearing a tuxedo. But don't be fooled by the polished chrome and hand-stitched leather. Beneath that elegant exterior lies one of the most overbuilt machines on Earth, a vehicle engineered with the same obsession for reliability that made the Land Cruiser a global legend. The 60 blends world-class craftsmanship with military-grade durability. Its ladder-frame chassis, independent suspension, and full-time 4-wheel drive system are designed not for convenience, but for endurance. Beneath the luxury, every weld, every bolt, and every component is engineered with Toyota's uncompromising standard of longevity. It's the kind of SUV you can drive through a desert one day and roll up to a black tie event the next, and it'll look equally at home in both worlds. Many LX models from the early 2000s are still running perfectly today, often with original drivetrains. Their owners swear by them, not because they're flashy, but because they simply refuse to die. In markets like the Middle East, Africa, and Australia, these vehicles are icons, symbols of power and dependability where failure isn't an option. The current LX600 may have evolved, trading its old-school V8 for a twin-turbocharged V6 and gaining more electronics than ever before. But the soul remains untouched. Toyota's engineers know their audience. They've retained the body-on-frame strength, refined the suspension, and over-engineered every moving part to ensure it can handle decades of hard use. And unlike many luxury SUVs that age into expensive headaches, the LX just keeps going. Maintenance may cost more than your average crossover, but breakdowns? Practically unheard of. It's a vehicle that combines elegance and endurance in a way few others can. If reliability had a flagship, if longevity could wear a badge, it would shine in gold and it would say Lexus. 6. Subaru Outback, the unstoppable wanderer. Technically more of a crossover than a traditional SUV, the Subaru Outback earns its place on this list through sheer perseverance. Its boxer engine layout and symmetrical all-wheel drive have become symbols of balance and dependability. The Outback thrives where others falter, on icy roads, muddy trails, and endless highway miles. What makes Subaru reliability special is the culture behind it. Owners don't just drive these cars, they live with them. It's common to find 15-year-old Outbacks still serving their original families faithfully. Their interiors worn but functional, their engines still humming quietly. It's the kind of reliability that doesn't shout. It just quietly proves itself, year after year. 7. Toyota Highlander, the gold standard of family reliability. Rounding out our list is the Toyota Highlander, a masterclass in balanced dependability. Not too big, not too small, just right. Powered by Toyota's near-immortal 3.5-liter V6 or hybrid systems, the Highlander has built a reputation for minimal mechanical issues and excellent resale value. It's the SUV equivalent of a steady heartbeat, never missing a beat, never letting you down. Families love it for one simple reason: it feels like it'll last forever. The suspension resists wear, the electronics age gracefully, and Toyota's meticulous quality control ensures even the smallest parts are overbuilt. If you want one SUV that can quietly serve your family for 20 years, this is it. Reliability isn't just about engineering, it's about philosophy. The SUVs on this list were built with longevity in mind, not trends or short-term sales. They're proof that even in an age of complexity and constant innovation, durability still matters. These vehicles remind us of a time when cars were meant to last a lifetime, not just a lease cycle. And maybe that's what makes them beautiful. So, which of these would you trust to drive for life? The unbreakable Land Cruiser, the refined Lexus GX, or the dependable Honda Pilot that quietly gets it all done? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that define our roads, and as always, drive safe, drive smart, and drive something built to last.